Hi everyone, it's Amy. I ordered from Misfits Market last week and did an unboxing. And this week I ordered from Imperfect Foods and we're going to do an unboxing. But if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. And if you like this video, hit the like button. And if you're not new here and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? There's a difference in how Imperfect Foods and Misfits Market does things. So with Imperfect Foods, I actually did get information about what was coming in the order if I wanted to swap things out. So that's a plus. But you do have to specify if you want organic, which I always do because I'm an organic person. And then you have to be really, really careful when you're swapping things out of your cart to make sure that you're actually still keeping it organic, because they do also carry conventional items. It's a little tricky to make sure that you're just getting organic. So I actually have a step stool because I'm gonna need to get up here to get into this first box. And we're still doing sanitation protocol. So these boxes will immediately go outside and then I will sanitize everything. And as I take things out of the box, I will put it into the sink so I can clean it when I'm done with this video for you. I had to get on a step stool to get all the way up here. Let's see what's in this first box. Oh, so they have cool stuff on the box too. You can't beat that new box smell, and let us know what you make with your order. Tag us on Instagram at Imperfect Foods. I'll probably do that, as you guys know. It's packaged pretty well, just like Misfits was. We have organic white mushrooms, carrots, organic parsley, organic green onions or scallions, depending upon what you call these. Some organic spinach. All of this looks pretty good. Organic cilantro. I was curious about this. So this is microwave popcorn reimagined. It's called Quinn Real Butter Sea Salt Microwave Popcorn. No chemicals or plastic coatings. Non-GMO corn. But let's see what the ingredients are. Organic non-GMO popcorn kernels. Organic sunflower oil. It does not say expeller pressed, so I'm not sure about that. Butter powder, which is cream, salt, buttermilk, and sea salt. So I will give this a try because I do love popcorn. It's pretty clean. I'm not sure about that butter powder. And the sunflower oil is iffy, but it's not the worst thing in the world. At least it's organic corn and non-GMO. Organic mini sweet peppers, a summer squash, snap peas. And it looks like there should have been fennel in here because there's pieces of fennel and there's some pieces of parsley too at the bottom. And a head of lettuce. This is just green lettuce. This looks pretty good. And now I'm off the step stool and onto our second box. This cost a little over $60, so it was a little bit more, but I think it might be more stuff, and it's different stuff because they don't just do produce, they also do some meats. So maybe we'll have some meats in this box. Oh, here's the fennel. So I found the rest of the fennel. This is pretty good. It's pretty small, but this part looks great. And what I'm planning to do is, because I still have some things from the Misfits Market order that came last week that I plan to make a soup with. So I love to use this part of the fennel in the soup. It adds great flavor. We have some peaches. These look pretty good. Oh, they're little mini pears. Oh, these are so cute. So these are very, very small pears, but they are pears. There's just fennel everywhere. Tomato paste. This is just good to have in the pantry. And the only ingredients are whole ripe tomatoes and salt. I would have preferred that it was organic, but this is, you know, the next best thing. Sometimes, especially right now, we have to do what we can. And then we have our refrigerated goods. So I got some potato gnocchi. I usually do okay with gnocchi, so these ingredients aren't great, but I figured I'd try it. It looks like this opened. Oh, but it's okay. Some feta cheese, RBST free feta cheese. Oh wow, and it doesn't expire until January. That's pretty cool. This was what I was really waiting for to make the soup with. It's a whole chicken, heirloom chicken, slow growth, pasture raised, unrestricted access to the outdoors, no antibiotics ever, air chilled, non-GMO, and regenerative. It's by Cook's Venture. It says they are a group of farmers, cooks, and food professionals who couldn't find what they wanted in the food system. That sounds familiar. So they're building it ourselves from the ground up, animal by animal, plant by plant, meal by meal, a truly transparent, regenerative supply chain for the future. That's our venture. We are the cooks. Our very special chickens come from an ancestry of breeding heirloom and heritage birds that have better health than conventional livestock. Because of their unrestricted pasture access and pedigree, they grow to be stronger and more flavorful than modern breeds. The difference is astounding. So this sounds really good. And this has a shelf life. Wow. Okay. So this actually says use or freeze by 7/24. So it's over a month old. I am going to contact them about that. Unless it was frozen and now it's not. But that's definitely that's a red flag. Some goat cheese. This is used by October. All natural smoked chicken sausage, apple Gouda, fully cooked, gluten-free. Let's see, check this date. Is there a date? Where's the date? There's a code, but I don't see a date. There's just a code. There's probably a date buried in that code somewhere, but I don't see a Best By or expiration date. And there's another pair that was all the way at the bottom. It seems like it's okay. I wouldn't personally put a pair at the bottom of the box under chicken. But, so I guess the packaging could lead something to be desired. And we have some black quinoa. And we have fennel everywhere. Some black quinoa. That is. I want to make sure I got everything out of here. It looks like I did. I am concerned about the date on this chicken. Now, if they had frozen it and packed it frozen and it defrosted in transit, then that would be fine. But it doesn't say that, so I'm a little concerned and I want to check on that. I was really excited about this chicken. It's a little disappointing that I don't know why it says it should have expired a month ago on it. So I'm going to have to send them an email and check on that. That's concerning.
Hi guys, Future Amy here. I'm editing the video and I'm putting the response I got from Imperfect Foods up on the screen. I'm pretty disappointed that this happened, especially with my first order, and I just want you guys to know about it and to be sure to check all your expiration dates if you decide to order from them. I'm actually not sure if I will be ordering from them again because this happened. I had such a good experience with Misfits Market, and I am pretty disappointed. I was excited about this chicken and I was going to make a soup and I had everything planned. Now I'm going to have to figure out how to get something to make soup with before the vegetables go bad. So I did want you to know that I am getting a refund for both the chicken as well as the sausage the sausage did not have an expiration date, and the expiration date on the chicken was over a month ago. That's super bad. So I just wanted to let you know what came about from my complaints and that they are making good on it. But honestly, it doesn't sit too well with me, and I want you to know what happened.
That's what I got from Imperfect Foods. Next week, we'll have another order from Misfits Market. Misfits Market is a little more fun because I have no idea what's going to come in the box. If you like this video, please remember to give it a like down below. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead right now and hit that subscribe button. And then hit the bell icon to receive notifications so you don't miss a thing. That's all for now. See you next time. Bye!